Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply for a lasting power of attorney in the UK. So this is helpful because it lets you choose someone that you trust to make decisions for you if there ever comes a time when you cannot make them yourself. So a lasting power of attorney, or LPA, is a legal document and it can give you more peace of mind for the future. So to apply, you need to be at least 18 years old and have mental capacity at the time you make it, and you also do not need to be living in the UK or be a British citizen. So the first step is to decide who you want to appoint as your attorney. So this can be someone like a family member, a close friend, your partner, or even a professional. So the person you choose must be 18 or older. And before picking someone up, it is important to think carefully. Choose a person that you know well, trust it fully, and believe that will act in your best interest. It also helps to make sure that they are comfortable taking on that role for you. So, after choosing your attorney, the next step is to go to the official website and find the option to make an LPA online. And when you get there, you can either start a new application or sign in if you already began one before. So, if you do not have an account yet, you will need to create one first and then complete the form with the required details. So once everything is filled out, the LPA must be registered with the Office of the Public Guardian. There is a fee of €82 to register it, and unless you qualify for a discount or exemption, if you completed the form online, you will need to print it out before sending it. And then you sign the completed form and then post it to the address provided. And if it is needed, a certified copy can also be sent instead of the original. So after that, the registration process can take up to 20 weeks. So that's how to apply for a lasting power of attorney in the UK. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.